welcome you all. Just to give a quick brief about Profit Idea, those who are for the first time in joining any of the sessions that we are, kind of taking up. Profit Idea started in 2011 by Varun Agrawal sir. Profit Idea is currently dealing into fund management and helping HNIs generate positive alpha. And we are into advisory and consulting, engage with all the top institutes, in terms of management and technology institutes across the country. And apart from trading, Profit Idea is a pioneer in many financial market related courses in the education space. We are helping people who are striving to make their career in financial markets domain, and we are imparting trainings on chartered financial analysis, NESM, NAC and BAC related all the modules and all the certifications we are trying to help out with. We are also helping people who are trying to learn in focus areas like derivative strategies, trading strategies, technical analysis, financial modeling, fundamental analysis, and algorithmic trading. Just to give a brief about Varun sir. So Varun sir is popularly known as Anandi Professor. I would request Varun sir later on to actually, help us understand why this Anandi Professor is coming up. Just to give a quick brief about Varun sir as well, for those who are, coming in contact with Varun sir for the first time. Varun sir started trading in 2006, and he's into this market for 15 plus years now. He is an expert and authority in wealth management, techno derivatives, techno funda strategies, fundo derivatives, algo strategies, and quant modeling. Though he called himself an Ali professor, but there is a list of education credentials who are associated with Varun sir. He has received his education from premier institutes like London Business School, Yale University, Indian School of Business, and IESE Business School, Spain. He has been faculty and guest lecturer with almost all the top institutes in India. He has taken up the lectures and also imparted his trainings in Ministry of External Affairs, of course, all the top management and technology institutes. That includes IIT Delhi and all the areas around in North India also. Much more to his credits. I would request Varun sir to come up and take the podium here on, and rest all the things you can very well easily see, like all this state speaks for the stuff which are mentioned on the slides. Varun sir, please.
Thank you so much, Atul sir, and good evening, everyone. Jai Shri Krishna, and I hope this will be a very good evening for all of you. Like learning harmonic patterns, understanding how harmonics can help you understand trading better, and how on short term we can trade. In fact, I'll show you the live example that I traded today. So the part is even though when we conduct free sessions, every session is a unique session wherein you can learn lot many things, and you can also understand how harmonics can actually enhance you towards the next level of trading that we do as far as markets are concerned. So day in day out when I trade, I try to improve my accuracy, and that is something which has been the core mantra. And as Atul sir mentioned, why do I call myself as a Nadi professor? I feel that irrespective of what you do, the practical skill set is what matters, and I feel that that is something which I focus on. I don't believe in any educational qualification degrees and whatever that you have done. What I personally feel that I learned markets in the hard way. I lost money when I started 16 years back, and I had no clue in terms of how markets can actually help you make money. So your failures teaches you more lessons than your success, and that is something which I have witnessed in market. So I always I'm a hardcore believer of ensuring that you develop your skill set. You ensure that over a period of time how you can become better with markets. So if you learn to trade, if you learn to identify patterns in the right manner, trust me, that will help you to trade in much more efficient and in much more productive manner. So the idea is that how we can ensure, how we can ensure that we trade with the right patterns, with the right setup. Another thing, it's it's not difficult. Like for example, today we are going to talk about harmonic patterns. It's not difficult to actually make the harmonic pattern. Anybody can make. In fact, today softwares will do the job for you. The idea is it's about execution, and it's about trade management that you must know as far as harmonic patterns are concerned. And that is why day in day out I keep focusing in terms of which trades that we should filter out. So let's say for example there are 10 trades which are available to you. Which is the trade that you have to pick, which is the trade that you have to miss? all those are very important fine line things which we have to focus on. And as we grow, with time, you will understand that there are certain trades that we have to avoid. There are certain trades that we have to jump on and take the trade. So how do we decide like which is the best trade, and how do we decide like, okay, this is the harmonic pattern that we can focus on. This is the pattern, probably if you go with the pattern, this pattern will give you better outcomes. So all those minute things, minute details, that is something which we have to focus on in order to ensure that yes, we become better traders, and over a period of time, even our trading efficiency improves. So there are a lot of patterns that we discussed, and there are a lot of things that we focus on. And how do we understand how Fibonacci ratios are important as far as harmonic patterns are concerned? What are different harmonic patterns that we have to see? How patterns have evolved, and how do we understand? Like many people, they come up with a query, sir, like if we are working on a 1 minute chart, do you think harmonic pattern will work? The answer is yes. Sir, if you are working on 5 minute time frame, 1 hour time frame, weekly time frame, monthly time frame, or if you are working on daily time frame, do you think harmonic patterns will work? The answer is yes, and I'll show you some of the live examples today, and how I traded today, with the live example in terms of the trade that I took. And even your buy signal and your exit signal, they are very perfect as far as harmonic patterns are concerned. So how do you know like, okay, this is the time that you should look for an entry as far as a particular stock is concerned? How do you know like you should look for an exit on a particular stock? So is there a way, is there a technique? So all the investment strategies, risk management assumptions, and what are the important criteria that we look at as far as types, the stocks are concerned and the chart patterns are concerned. Plus, what we need to ensure, like as I mentioned, it's not necessary that you have to trade each and every harmonic pattern. So most of the times, when I come across participants, they ask me, sir, we can see this harmonic pattern on this XYZ stock, do you think we should trade? My answer is no, because that's what we learn as far as harmonic patterns are concerned, that we have to filter out trades. Also, we understand like how different scanners can help you out as far as these harmonic patterns, like how to filter them and how to ensure like which pattern is available on which time frame. So all those basic things can be covered up, and that will really help you to ensure that yes, you learn the right harmonic patterns. So today, just to give you an understanding, just to give you a brief in terms of what Fibonacci numbers are and how you can utilize Fibonacci better. So Fibonacci is this is a series which is a very famous series today. No matter like whether you are looking at a flower, whether you're looking at any structure that you look at, I think that's more imbibed with Fibonacci. In fact, day in day out, when we trade markets, we understand that a lot of levels are based on Fibonacci numbers. So let's say how this Fibonacci series came into picture, and what is the concept behind Fibonacci numbers. So if you talk about Fibonacci series, so it's a series like which is addition of last two numbers. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 equals to 2, 2 plus 1 equals to 3, and 3 plus 2 equals to 5, 5 plus 3 equals to 8, and so on. So the series continues. The idea is that this series actually comes up with a very important number which we call it as a golden ratio. So when I say golden ratio, most of the times, like the charts that I'm going to show you today, you will find that it is so perfect, so precise that like it will reach, any particular stock will reach to 1.618, and the moment it reaches 1.618, you will see the retracement happening. And or like from there, you can definitely decide like whether you have to buy, whether you have to sell. And these are very important numbers. We also call this number as fee, and I'll show you fifi bands also on my chart. I also show you one example of Adani stocks. Many people, they are like right now, too many people are talking about Adani stocks, this and that. I'll show you how precise, irrespective of how they move. I'll show you the precision, that even if you are trading Adani stock, and how you can trade with precise harmonic pattern. And also, like, I'll share some insights. So like those who will continue the session by the end of like till the end, they will have a very important learning in terms of how they can ensure that they trade harmonics better. And that's the idea, that's the key. Learning patterns over a period of time is something which has evolved, and I feel that execution management, the price reversal zones, and your harmonic optimal price. All these things have to be seen while taking a trade. And then like how the pattern types structure functions, what are pattern ones, what are pattern two, that we focus on as far as harmonics are concerned. So we'll definitely look into all those perspective. So when I say Fibonacci numbers, it's like, whether you're looking at our face structure, whether you're looking at a petals, or whether you're looking at our fingerprints, or whether you're looking at like any, like, if you travel, you will see that everything somewhere or the other, it is associated in nature. Like there are so many things that we see, and each and everything is associated with Fibonacci number. And I feel like this number which I was talking about, phi, or the golden ratio, so 377 divided by 233, you will find a number coming out to be 1.618. And as you will move on in this series, you will find this number is a very important number, a crucial number, which can help us to understand like how, in terms of what Fibonacci is suggesting us, and where like we can focus as far as our targets are concerned. So if I talk about some of the important harmonic patterns, if I talk about like what these harmonic patterns are all about, so there are multiple patterns that we focus on. So there are patterns like Gartley patterns, which comes with precise measurement, and it's very very important that you actually understand Gartley patterns in the right manner, because many a times there is a tendency that people tend to mix patterns. It's like you have to be precise, you have to be accurate. If you're looking at levels, if you're looking at patterns, then precision is something which is very very important. I feel that unless and until you are precise, unless and until you look at the patterns in a precise manner, you will not be successful. So Gartley pattern, bat pattern. So bat is another pattern which is like, you must have seen like, it's like a bat structure. So a bat structure getting formed, so what you have to do, whether you have to go like it's a bullish bat or a bearish bat, and what is the precise levels for the bat pattern. Similarly, like we have patterns like Leonardo pattern, butterfly, crab. In crab also, deep crab. So what is a deep crab, what is a crab, what is a bullish crab, what is a bearish crab. So how, like, I trade crab patterns a lot. I'll show you some of the beautiful crab patterns, and you will be like fascinated with those crab patterns. So how do we know that okay, this is a correct butterfly or a crab? So, and is there a right measurement as far as butterfly and crab is concerned, or whether this pattern is a sea pony pattern or a seahorse pattern, or whether this is a ABCD pattern. So many people like, they ask me, sir, whether this is ABCD, or whether this is crab, whether this is butterfly, or it is a swan pattern, or it is an N star pattern, or when it's the shark pattern. So I'll show you the shark pattern also, like when the shark pattern is formed. So how productively, whether it is intraday 10-minute chart, so or you're looking at a daily chart, you're looking at a weekly chart, you're looking at monthly chart, it will not matter. What matters is the right, like if you draw the pattern in the right manner, you will find that the outcome will definitely come, and you will ensure that, right, with right patterns you will be able to trade better. So I'll show you Bank Nifty live today, the live trade that I took on Bank Nifty. I'll show you live trades on like how I took certain trades on certain stocks, and how it can be done on intraday time frame. So we'll talk about that. And similarly, like there is a differentiation that people don't understand. What is 5 knot pattern, what is partisan pattern, what is swan pattern, what is free drive. So all these are important patterns that you have to recognize. And once you recognize the pattern, then what is more important is execution. As I mentioned, drawing a pattern is easy, but executing a pattern is something which is very important. So most of the times we don't execute the pattern in the right manner, and because we don't execute patterns in right manner, we tend to miss out on a lot of influences that we get out of the pattern. So many people feel that, sir, I should have traded over here, I traded here, but probably it's not helping me. So that is why right pattern in terms of interpretation is not important, because unless and until you understand how that pattern can behave and where that pattern can go, you will never be able to trade those patterns successfully. So we'll definitely like talk about all these patterns, and I'll show you live examples. It's time that we go like we understand the pattern, we go live, so that all of you can in terms of understand how these patterns looks. And is there a way, is there a mechanism through which I can filter out pattern, and I can see, okay, this is a perfect butterfly, this is a bullish butterfly, or this is a bearish butterfly. Or let's say, suppose for example, if I'm looking at the measurement, so how do I do the precise measurement? So if you see, these pattern looks more like M and W patterns, but precisely speaking, it's not perfect M, perfect W. So you need to have the right measurements. So usually you will find that whenever this length XA, it is something which is naturally formed in the market. This is something which you cannot predict. So this XA length will automatically form. Now suppose if the XA length is formed, the AB length will retrace, and it is normally retraces up to 78.6%. So suppose for example my AB length, like XA length, is 100 points. So usually your AB length will come towards 0.786. It will retrace back and it will form BC. Now your suppose your AB length was again, like for example, just to give you a clarity simplification, suppose my AB length was 100 points, then my BC length, B2C, my B2C is 38.2% to 88.6% of AB. And my C2D, so C2D length is 1.618 to 2.618 of BC. So suppose this BC length is 50 points, then this is 1.618 times or 2.618 times of CD length. Another very important thing which people miss out, what they miss out at times, let's say on your pattern you will see that this is 1.618 or 2.618, but if it is not between this area, so your X and D, so for example your D point is below your X point, and when you see the D point below the X point, that is where you have to focus, that is where you have to understand that it should lie at 1.27 to 1.618. And 1.27 is a very important Gartley pattern. So at times we might miss out on a pattern, but you have to understand that it's possible that you might have CD wave forming or your AB equals to CD, but the problem is like you might be missing out on 1.27 to 1.618 retracement, and that is where things go wrong. So we have to be precise, we have to understand in terms of what this pattern is all about, how this pattern is getting unfolded, and can we make better use of this pattern. Similarly, let's say if I talk about a bearish butterfly, which is just the the mirror image of a bullish butterfly. So if you see this image, it's like more of a W pattern, wherein again like X to A is formed automatically, and then your AB is 78.6% of XA, your BC is 38.2% to 88.6% of AB, and your CD length is 1.618 to 2.618 of your BC length. And again, your BC should lie at 1.27 to 1.618. Now, the moment you see D, should you sell here? If you sell here, what should be your stop loss? That is something which is very important. So many people, they don't know their harmonic optimal price, and even at harmonic optimal price, what things we should consider. So let's say if we see a reference here that at point D we can see a sell signal, then there could be a harmonic optimal price where probably price might retrace, and it might go up to that harmonic optimal price, and then you might see a sell signal. So how do we know that okay, this is the place, this is where I need to execute? And that is the most important thing. So this is a butterfly. I'll show you live butterfly on the chart with the live pattern and like live charts, and I'll show you on all three platforms. So today, like people those who attended the last session, and today those who are attending the session today, I'll show you the difference between all the different platforms. So for example, if somebody is checking butterfly, or if somebody is checking a bat pattern, shark pattern on Ninja Trader, somebody is looking to check that pattern on Ami Broker, or if you're looking at that pattern on Trading View, so how can you check on different platforms? So is there a way that you can check on different platforms, and how you can utilize trading softwares, trading patterns on different platforms, and that can help you? So how to use harmonic patterns on Ami Broker, how to use it on Ninja, how to use it on Trading View, or any other software. So is there a way, is there a mechanism? So I'll show you, like it can be checked on any platform, whichever platform you think that you are comfortable with. You can check harmonic patterns, and that is something which is like a very beautiful way to trade. Now, before I move to practical part, I will like to show you a bat pattern. Again, one of my favorite patterns. Why? Because it gives you beautiful trades, a wonderful setup, and you will be shocked like the kind of trades that I will show you today. Like whether like I traded Lupin, I traded on Kotak Bank, I traded on PVR, I traded on Dr. Reddy, I traded on Indra Medical, I traded on Carborundum. So I'll show you like all these live things that I traded on, and why I traded on those patterns, and how beautifully it is executed. And I'll show you like our group chat also. So like how beautifully you can execute the patterns, and like you can have the outcomes. So for example, let's say if I talk about a bullish bat pattern, And on a bullish bat, what you will notice, like it's X2A is again, the market is forming this length of X2A, but your AB is 38.2% to 50%. Now it is not going towards 78.6%. Please note, when I was talking about butterfly, it was 78.6%, but in a bat pattern, it is 38.2% to 50%. Your BC length is 38.2% to 88.6% of AB, and your CD length. So when I say CD length is 1.618 to 2.618 of your BC length. But the beauty here is, when you see the butterfly, your AB length is 78.6%, your CD length goes towards 1.618 to 2.618. But over here, your D is ending before your X, from where the X started. And this is a very, very important observation that you should have. So again, this looks like a M structure, but please note the difference. In butterfly, it was going down. But when I talk about bat pattern, see, bat pattern is more like a standard M that you see, and it is ending before the starting. So it started here, it will end before where we started from the X point. And this whole retracement will lie at 88.6%. And that is something which is very important for us to know. Like how we can actually ensure that these patterns can be filtered out and we can check these patterns. Now, when I say bearish pattern, so for example, a bearish bat is formed on any XYZ stock. So how do we know? It's again a mirror image. So X2A is, it's a natural length. Your AB length is 38.2% to 50% of your XA length. And again, like in a bearish butterfly, this length goes to 78.6%. So over here it is like 38.2% to 50%. Your BC length, BC is your like 38.2% to 88.6% of your AB, and then your CD length is 1.618 to 2.618 of your BC length. And this entire CD length, like the entire retracement from X2A should end at 88.6%. And then like you can place your like, in terms of, you have to find your trade over here, like what is the this is the execution area, and then you will look to short on a stock or on an index, and then you will understand that yes, like this is the pattern that I was looking at, this is something which is productive. And if I would have taken this trade, this trade would have given me a good amount of money, considering that yes, that this is something which was available to you. So as a trader, you need to understand, okay, these are the patterns which I need to focus on, these are the patterns that I need to understand, that yes, it can actually enhance my trading ability, and it can actually help me to understand like how things are unfolded. Is there a mechanism, is there a way that can actually help you to trade better, to understand that yes, things can go in your way, and with the move, the kind of move that you are looking at. So for example, let's say if I come to simple patterns, and if I ask you like in terms of how things can be done. So today I was trading a stock called as Carborundum Universal. So let's say, suppose if I talk about a stock like Carborundum Universal, and I'll show you, like before I move to Carborundum Universal, I'll show you the live pattern, and I'll show you like how simple harmonic pattern can actually help you to like take your trade in a much better efficient manner. That will actually help you to understand that yes, this is the right trade which is available in the market. So today, like I squared off 500 quantities. So you can see like 500 quantities of Carborundum Universal at a price of 610. And let's say if I talk about this stock Carborundum Universal, so what I saw, and I'm sure like most of you will be like in terms of eager to see in terms of my harmonic pattern. And today, to your shock, you will find that today's high is 610.20. So I'm sure like all the people, those who are attending this webinar, they must be thinking like, why I sold this stock at a price of 610 rupees. See, it was a precise harmonic pattern getting formed. It clearly like in terms of, it gave me an entry. So we like I'll show you the message where I took the entry here. People like I posted on my group also with all my profit idea students, and all the people, those who are attached with profit idea. So I clearly mentioned them that this is the area where you need to actually get into the leg. This is the area where you should buy Carborundum Universal for short term. And it's a good stock for the long term also. But I tend to trade my long term stocks even in the short term, because that actually helps me to generate even better trades and better understanding as far as trading is concerned. So if you see, like I'll show you one inference here, which will probably help you to understand things better. And I'll show you like our batch picture as well. So I was posting on our batch, like I bought Carbonundum Universal at 570 rupees, which I was buying. I also placed to buy more at 565 to 550 levels. And if you see here, when I posted this message, it was right here. So what we could actually, like in terms of what we see and what we understand, like how these patterns are unfolded and how these patterns are formed. The idea is, like, if you see, you can take trades over here, understanding that see the low here, it's like 572, 574 here. It was giving you an opportunity, the leg is formed. Plus, like when this XA was formed, again there was an opportunity, so it came down to 562. We were accumulating at 565 levels and to 570, 574 levels. I bought this stock, and then why I exited here. So see, exactly over here, the retracement was getting completed, and this is an auto pattern. So when I say this is an auto pattern, exactly at 600, see the high today. This is where you see the high. Today's high is 610 rupees 20 paisa, and exactly at 610 rupees, I actually offloaded the stock. So you can imagine, like the precision that you can have with the help of harmonic pattern. Immediately it hit, and I knew that it can go up to 610 rupees, and then it can retrace back. Reason being, the harmonic pattern will fulfill, and you can clearly see how it happened. Even before that, you can see the harmonic pattern getting formed on a chart, and this is on trading view on an hourly chart of Carborundum. And when it formed, it was a perfect, beautiful pattern that you can see getting unfolded. It clearly gave a sell at this point at the top, and if you would have sold here at 625 rupees, 624 rupees, the high was 627. Immediately the stock came down, it touched the first fifi band level, touched the second fifi band level, and ultimately, before a buy signal came, it touched the third, the last fifi band channel, and then a buy signal came. And that is why, like, I actually tend to follow my simple trading mechanism, and it helps me to trade better. So the idea is that how you can improve your trading style, how you can ensure that with the help of harmonics you can become a better trader. And I think like day in day out, that's the idea, that's the criteria like in terms of what we are looking at. And I think that helps us to trade better, and that's the major idea. Like somebody asked me, like on Dr. Reddy, suppose sir, if we are trading on a daily chart, how do you know, like, in spite of Dr. Reddy, I was like bullish. For long term, again, like as I said, I tend to trade my long term stocks even for short term, and that is something which I love. So for example, Dr. Reddy, and if I talk about Dr. Reddy 15-minute chart today. So if I show you Dr. Reddy 15-minute chart, and see the beauty of the chart. First precise signal came here. It's a bullish bat which got formed, gave you a signal right here that it will achieve this target, achieved the target, reached near the Fifi band, again came down, never crossed the hop level, took support around the Fifi band, lower Fifi band, again went up, gave you a sell signal, went down, gave you a buy signal right here when this band completed. And I look for the bands to get completed, and then a beautiful graph getting formed. So that means a short term, like if this hop level is not crossed, short term selling might come, which might take the stock towards 5352. And then again, like, you can review your stance. If it is taking support, then or forming a new pattern, you can take your trade. Similarly, like if I show you daily chart of Dr. Reddy, and if I show you on daily chart a beautiful bat pattern. So I just talked about bat pattern. See, automatically, this is all automatic formation of bat on trading view that you can see. A beautiful pattern got like over here, and you can clearly see, like in fact, like people those who are attending my webinars and sessions regularly, they must have heard me, like whether I was taking NSC session or any we are taking profit idea session, or I might be taking any corporate session. I clearly talked about that Dr. Reddy will go up even from here, and why it will go up. And I expect even larger targets with the time to come. So your conviction becomes better. So yes, as fundamentally you understand that the stock is good, but if you want to trade your fundamental stocks in more efficient and effective manner, then your level of risk is less, your conviction level is very high, and you can take right trades. And that is something which is very, very important. So what I understand is, like, it was taking support right at the Fifi band, which with a bad pattern, which is like, again, see the precision 1.618. So precisely 1.618.1.618, the hop level is like, even if it is coming down here, it might like you can accumulate the near hop level also, and the chances are very high that the stock will fly from here. So the harmonic optimal price is something from where like the reversal chances are very very high, and we can see a kind of a sun formation over here, which is giving me an idea and approach that right here, this is what we call it as a terminal point. So a terminal point was giving me an idea, which is a kind of a sun circle that you see, which is giving me an idea that yes, from here things can change, the price can move and the price can move up. And it's good, like if you take the trade here. So if one would have taken a trade here on the confirmation with the sun signal, that is a perfect sign to go with. And like I would have like happily taken a trade. So this is something which is giving you a conviction. So whether you are trading on a short time frame, so let's say suppose somebody entered here, and now let's say for on a 15-minute time frame, you can see that okay, Dr. Reddy is actually forming a pattern which is a kind of a crap pattern, exactly 1.618. Then probably for short term, if you want to trade on your long term stocks, and you want to ensure that you can generate some extra income, then why not to trade on the crap pattern? So you can clearly see a crab here. So what I'm trying to say that your conviction, when you trade, your conviction goes up to the next level, and that is something which is very important. See, as a trader, unless and until you take your conviction to the next level, you will never be successful. And we have to understand that any time, like any pattern which is formed, so for example over here, like last time when the bat pattern was formed on Dr. Reddy 15-minute chart, see right here, it gave you a trade here, immediately gave you that this is your target, which is 5341 target for this particular stock here, it will go to up to that level. So that is where the conviction is coming, and you want to ensure that your trades, like you actually trade in a much better effective manner, and that is the idea. Another, like let's say for example, if I take another example, like many people ask me Indra Medical, and how precisely can you predict a stock like Indra Medical. So if you are trading in cash market, not in the derivative market, so even if you want to trade any XYZ stock in the cash market, and let's say suppose if I put across a weekly time frame for Indra Medical, look at this precision from where the sell signal came. Beautiful deep crab which was formed. And if you notice, like this is the level which I was giving to my all my traders at 98.80, 98.90. That is the level where you should look to actually exit for the short term on Indra Medical. And even if you see, like in terms of, if I show you on my Twitter about Indra Medical, and I'm very very clear in terms of what I post. So for example, let's say if I talk about a stock like Indra Medical, and let's say if I search, and if I talk about sorry, just give me a second, I'll just filter it for you, and I'll show you like the code that I have put in. So for, let's say suppose Indraprastha Medical, and if I show you like Indra Medico as a stock, like what we are doing, and why we are doing it, like in terms of why so precise. So it's not that like you can just simply talk about the stock, but you have to be precise as well. So when I say like the precision comes like we bought the stock at a price of like initially at 78 rupees. I entered into this clip, and then I bought more stocks. And then people ask me like in terms of what is my target, what is the setup that I'm looking at as far as this particular stock is concerned. So is there any specific way, or any specific targets that I look at as far as stocks are concerned? And see, today's high is 98.80. I posted this. Why I posted this? Because I was clear that it should touch 98.80. So it's not that illogically I have taken a trade. I take the trade with a lot of conviction, with a lot of in terms of what I see on the charts, and where it can move. And if you see right now, it is consolidating on a bigger Marubozu. So what I expect, where the target one is, possibly if target one comes, possibly it will be a good level to accumulate, because this is a perfect consolidation that is happening on the Marubozu. And if this consolidation is successful, then ideally you should look to buy Indra Medical again, and then again trade on the higher levels. So your level of conviction when you look at a particular stock that goes up, you actually trade patterns in much effective and productive way, you understand what you are doing. And that is something which is important in market. Like time and again I keep repeating this term, like it's important to know like what you are doing. If you know what you are doing, then things becomes very simple for you. And trust me, like whether you have done your MBA, your CFA, your XYZ degrees, whatever, whatnot, irrespective of what you have done, trust me, it will not help. What will help is your right understanding, your skill set. And that is why like I focus a lot on skill set. Many people, they tend to miss out on skill set. I feel that your skill set is important. Probably your MBA degree, your CA degree, or CFA degree, or FRM degree will not help you. What will help you is your identification, your skill set. So if you have the right skill set, if you understand like this is the skill set that I have, and you understand patterns well, trust me, your trading will improve, and that will take you to the next level altogether. So it's like most of the times people have this conviction that okay, if somebody is so and so qualified, that person will help me. Trust me, it will not help you. And that's why like time and again people ask me why an RD professor. I feel that I'm better off like मैं अंगूठा छाप ही अच्छा हूँ. And that's like, that is something which has been my say. So what I understand is, if you can understand markets well, and if you can understand like where stocks are moving, then things will become very simple for you and easy for you. I'll show you another stock, another practical approach, probably on a stock like Lupin. And let's say if I talk about Lupin as a stock on a daily chart pattern on Lupin. So suppose, let's say if you see Lupin here, beautiful pattern. Look at this beautiful bat structure. So we talked about the bat. We talked about the exact measurement. It is precise 78.6%, precise 50%, exactly at 200% retracement that happened, which is precisely lying at 0.886. Look at the precision, exactly 0.88%, 886. Take the trade here with the sun sign coming in. Take your trade with your targets, and your like in terms of things will become very very simple for you. And that is something which we look at. So time and again, whenever I am looking at any pattern, I feel that that is extremely extremely important. And see, it's not just a daily chart. So I was showing you a 15-minute chart also before. Let me show you monthly chart also. Suppose, let's say if I show you a monthly chart of Lupin, look at this, how precise. A beautiful bat again at 0.886 with 50% retracement happening, giving you the precise target. It reached the precise target one. Once it will cross and trade above this, this target is definitely on, which is 1562. So many people will think it will not come. What I understand, wait for some time. Let's see what will happen in the times to come. So the only point is, you have to understand your patterns well. You have to understand in terms of what you are doing, why are you doing it, what is like what is the thought process behind whatever trades that you are looking to take, and how you can improve your trading style. So it's a very good trade here. And over here, like if you see the pattern, like it told you right here that accumulate Lupin, maximum it might go down, just accumulate this. It should reverse from here. And we can see like how beautifully the pattern unfolded. So whether you are looking at a monthly chart, whether you are looking at a daily chart, the idea is, if you identify right patterns with the right conviction, things will become simple for you. And that has been my mantra. Like off late, what I understand that it's not something that you can just do anything and everything. So what I understand is, if you are precise, if you understand what you are doing, things becomes simpler and easy for you to trade. And see, it's just that like I have just shown you trading view. I'll come to ME broker, I'll come to Ninja, and I'll show you the precision that we have on the charts. And I'll show you like what we can do and how better we can trade with our system. Let me show you like another stock that I can see from the participants. There is a request, like I can see that, sir, kindly if you can show this on Kotak Mahindra Bank. And how did I find like that it is there. So let's say, suppose if I talk about Kotak Mahindra Bank, if I talk about Kotak Bank, let me show you Kotak Bank. So there is a request like if I can show Kotak Bank on a weekly or an hourly chart, is like how we can actually filter out patterns. So let's say Kotak chart on an hourly chart. Let's say this is the request on hourly chart, and see the beautiful pattern shark. Look at the precision shark pattern on my Kotak Mahindra Bank, precise. So let's say if you are trading on Kotak Mahindra Bank, this is where a sell signal came with the sun sign, which we call it as a terminal point. So at a terminal point, if you would have sold here Kotak Mahindra Bank you would have made money. And I think like this is very very simple, precise. Like it was very precise. That sell signal came, take a trade here, and then it took support near fifi bands, and again a rally came. And then look at again hourly chart, beautiful pattern, bat, perfect bat which was getting formed. And when the bat pattern was formed, you can clearly see a sun signal, which is a again a terminal point at the bottom with the hop level here. A buy signal came, immediately the stock went up to the first target level immediately. And that is what the precision is all about. Now on request, like somebody is saying that if we can have weekly chart of Kotak Mahindra Bank, look at this weekly chart, automatic crab, deep crab, which is formed on a weekly chart with a terminal point with the hop level given. So if you take a trade here, take your trade with the targets that you have on the downside, precise targets were like, you can clearly see how the targets were met. And that is why like I love trading with harmonics. And I'm sure like those who are understanding how these patterns are unfolded on the live, in the live market, they will equally love the patterns. And I love those patterns. Like when I trade, I just like, I'm in love with whatever I do, and the kind of patterns that we look at. It's like time and again, these are very important signals that we focus on. And what we understand is like, as a trader, things are very very simple. So it's like those who are asking me like in terms of what HPC is and how we can look at HPC is harmonic patterns. So we are looking at harmonic patterns here, and we are trying to understand like how you can improve your trading style, how you can improve your trading with the help of these patterns. Plus one more thing, at times like I come across people asking me, is it possible for us to draw these patterns manually? So can, like for example, if you, sir, if you are looking at this deep crab, so can we draw this manually? The answer is yes. So all the participants, those who are asking me in the chat box, is it possible to draw these patterns as far as like the manual theory is concerned? Can we draw them? Yes. So see, there is an option called as like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Over here you can see an option called as XABCD. If you click on XABCD, select the magnet, probably take strong magnet over here. Once you will select the strong magnet, whenever you click anywhere, automatically it will take point A. This is A. You can clearly see like I'm drawing this manually now. So this is B, this is C, and you can clearly see this is D. So you can draw these patterns with the help of the trading view tools also, XABCD. So if you are using XABCD tool, you can draw these patterns. Suppose somebody wants to draw cipher pattern, somebody wants to draw ABCD pattern, or maybe a triangle or a three drive or a head and shoulder, whatever patterns that you are looking at, you can draw these patterns manually as well. So it's not necessary that you have to draw it, or you can like, you have to look for the patterns with the auto signal. Of course, like on my chart you can see that it is automatically the patterns are coming, and I can see the patterns on my own. So I am not taking like any in terms of help of any other in terms of like taking, I'm not drawing these patterns manually. I am taking help of the tools that I have, and I am ensuring that these patterns are automatically drawn on the chart, and I can take live trades. So the idea is that trading patterns in much more effective, easy manner is something that we look at. And the better you trade, the better you become. So it's all about understanding like for example, how you can filter out what exactly you can see on the pattern, and then your execution and your trade management is something which is very very handy. And this is something like, it's like uh, this is something which is possible. Now I see another query like sir, for example, let's say somebody is trading bank nifty. So for example, if someone is trading on bank nifty, is it possible to automate it? Yes, it is possible to automate it. I'll show you bank nifty, Ankit. You don't need to worry about bank nifty. I'll show you bank nifty chart also. Like I'll show you like how on options also these indicators will come. So I will show you on option also like how these indicators are possible, and how I can check these harmonic indicators. Plus like there are there is a query like, if you are working on futures trade, so is it possible? I'll show you the future trade also. So I'll show you futures, I'll show you options, and I'll show you like how on option trade I traded intraday today on bank nifty. So there are a lot of queries on bank nifty because I trade bank nifty a lot. So people are asking me, is it possible to like trade this on bank nifty as well, and automatically the patterns can be drawn on trading view, or let's say on ME broker or on Ninja? Yes, it can be drawn automatically on NinjaTrader, on AMI Broker, or on TradingView. Everything can be done automatically, and plus we can also targets like the T1 and the T2 can automatically come. We can actually define our levels, and we can ensure that we trade the right patterns with the right stop losses, with the right hop levels, and with the right target levels, so that we become better as a trader. And that is the art, that is something which we are looking at, so that we keep improving ourselves, we keep doing our best. And that is something which is which has been my quest over the years, like how as a trader I can improve, how as a trader I can ensure that my trading style can improve a bit. Okay, there is another query, like people ask me on PVR, and I was tracking PVR on a 4 hour chart. I'll show you 4 hour chart on PVR, and I'll show you daily chart also. Look at this beautiful pattern on PVR. Again, a beautiful bat pattern. And there is this sign which I call it as a sun sign, which is a terminal point. So on a terminal point, I got a confirmation of a sell that PVR should go down, and you can clearly see that it is approaching. It is like it has already reached the first FIFI band, and I expect that it should reach the second FIFI band also. And that is something like your patterns give you an idea in terms of what is happening. Another thing, let's say somebody said that, sir, if you look at the same PVR on a weekly chart, so if you check weekly chart of PVR, beautiful sell signal at the top. Look at this signal, beautiful. If you sell here with this sunshine, I think nothing better than that. Your trading ability moves to the next level altogether. And when I will show you on AMI Broker, on Ninja platform, you will say like, sir, we are loving this, and this is something which like you can improve your trading ability. You can just go on to the next level altogether, and that will help you to trade much better as far as harmonics are concerned. So it's all about sharpening your skills. It's all about understanding like how as a trader we can improve our skills, and how we can like make ourselves better as far as trading is concerned. So this is something which is very simple, easy, and I think all of us can do that. But before I move to the next level, let me just go back to my presentation once. And uh, like we were discussing many things, so let's just focus back. And so I discussed with you the butterfly pattern and the bat pattern, and I even showed you the crab pattern. I'll show you the measurement for the crab also, and I'll talk about like when I will show you the AMI Broker and the Ninja platforms, and I'll show you how on option charts or on future charts. Like for example, I promised you, like I'll show you a beautiful chart pattern on Adani ports, and I'll show you live the future, how you can trade futures, how you can trade options, and I'll talk about this. But before I talk about this, as we are conducting this free webinar, so we want to make participants aware of the courses that we conduct at Profit Idea. And we want to ensure that whatever knowledge that we are sharing with the participants, they can increase their knowledge, they can become better traders with the time to come. So we train them, we provide them hand holding, we provide them all the insights which are related to fundamental analysis, derivative analysis, technical analysis, algorithmic trading, financial modeling, order flow analysis, volume profile, market profile. And if you see the complete course cost is 5,99,992. With the hand holding that we provide is for nearly 1 lakh rupees, and the total professional PTC course that we have is for 5,99,992. But all the participants, like those who want to enroll into our program and those who want to enhance their knowledge further, they want to go to the next level and become professional traders, ensure that yes, with time they can trade better and improvise on their ability to understand chart patterns, understand balance sheet, income statement, cash flow statement, understand how the algorithms works, how the derivative market works, what are the different strategies that you can deploy at different point in time. We cover everything in this particular course. It's a good 10 months to 12 month course that we conduct on every Sunday, 2 to 6. And this program ensures that people become effective, efficient traders. And people, those who are enrolling for our course, and those who want to be a part of our course and probably enhance their learning to the next level, they can definitely opt for our course at 1,21,000 rupees. This is after discount that you are getting. And this is something which is even if you opt for a single module, you will understand that this fees is something which is like negligible in comparison to the learnings that you can have. And trust me, this will really take you to the next level. So those who really want to understand and probably reach to the next level and understand the minute details which are associated with the trading, with the trading platform, charting softwares, and the different things that we do. We will ensure that we teach you from the scratch, from the zero level to the next level, so that you can become advanced and pro traders. And next week we are actually coming up with our harmonic pattern session, which is a 3 hour session on Saturday and Sunday. All the participants, those who want to benefit and understand all these patterns in detail, with the execution, with the trade management, with the risk management, with the deeper understanding of type 1 charts, type 2 charts, with the scanners that we deploy, and with the different platforms, how it can be integrated, how things can be done. So we are coming up with all these patterns, like how you can make mega profits with harmonics. That is the idea, and we will be covering all these patterns. Even though the original cost on the website is 49,999, we are actually coming up with the website offer of 39,999. But people, those who are enrolling us for the 3rd and 4th of July session from 10 to 1 p.m., and if you really want to benefit, we have this offer of 19,999. But just exclusively, I repeat, just exclusively those who want to join and those who want to benefit from the harmonic patterns. Again, like as I said, and I have been, like, we have been consistent follower of what we do and what we say. So I'm very very clear, and I can repeat, and repeatedly I can say that this offer will not be repeated. So we are coming up with this webinar offer of 11,999. All those who wants to register, they can, like, you can see in your chat box. In your chat box, you can easily check. There will be a link that will be shared, and you can click on that link, use this symbol code, and like, with the help of the symbol code, you can deploy the webinar offer of 11,999. So if you use the code, if you go to the website profitidea.net, like, you will find that you can register for our this particular course, and use the code WD76. If you use this WD76, you will be able to enroll for the course, which is 49,999 at a price of 11,999. It will give you real insights to understand harmonic patterns in much deeper, like, detailed understanding of what harmonic patterns is. And not only this, you will get a hand holding for 1 month, wherein, like, if you share anything, you come up with the chart, you can verify, like, whether your chart is right or wrong. We will also understand how to make the charts on the auto platform. We will understand, like, how you can actually go with the charts with the help of manual plotting. What are the levels that we should look at? What is the execution level? How to scan the patterns on different time frames? So for example, let's say, if I'm looking at an intraday time frame, if I'm looking at different parameters, different platforms, like, for example, 1 minute time frame, 5 minute, 10 minute, I'll show you 1 minute time frame, 5 minute, 10 minute time frame just now, like. And you will see that your trading ability, your ability to trade will become much better. You will find that it's like, it will become easier for you to understand, scan these patterns. Suppose, for example, how do I know, like, out of so many stocks, how do I know which stock is forming a crab? How do I know which stock is forming a butterfly, or maybe a bat pattern, or maybe a Gartley pattern, or maybe a shark pattern? So is there a way that I can scan? Is there a way that I can look at these patterns and probably like, help you to take filter out? Okay, these are the list of stocks where Gartley pattern is getting formed. These are the list of stocks which is coming up with the like, harmonic bat pattern. Or this is the list of stocks on 15-minute time frame, 1 minute time frame, or maybe 30-minute time frame, which is coming up with the, let's say, shark pattern, or maybe a deep crab pattern. So on which stock I can see a deep crab, now whether I should take the trade or I should not take the trade. And like, in the real time frame, you can actually see with the real code that yes, a pattern is there. So how to do the scanning of all those patterns, and how to, like, in terms of how to ensure that it is there on ME Broker. What is the setup that is required for ME Broker, or maybe on Ninja platform, or maybe on Harmonic platform, how we can go about all these things. So we'll discuss all that, and I think that is something which will definitely be of a greater help, especially, like, if you really want to understand those patterns. I am sure, like, things will become very simple and easy for you. And that is the idea. So again, like, I repeat, this offer will not be repeated. Those who want to enroll, just click on the link which is provided by Atul sir on the chat box. You can see the link, click on the link, and quickly go on the website, click, and use the coupon code WD76, and you can make the payment and enroll for the course. And again, like, you will not get the opportunity. So those who want deeper understanding, you can definitely like go ahead and have a deeper understanding on harmonic patterns, and will definitely ensure that you learn these patterns better. And I can see the response from the participants. Thank you so much, those who have already enrolled while I am speaking, and they have done the enrollment. Thank you so much for your enrollment. And I can see like we already have many participants, those who have enrolled. So it's good to see that participants really want to learn. They want to ensure that yes, how they can make money with the harmonic patterns. Now, going further and understanding like how crab pattern forms, and what are the important things that we should look for as far as a crab is concerned. So is there a way that I can probably look at the crab patterns, a bullish side or a bearish side? So how do I see how this crab pattern is getting formed? So let's say if I talk about a bullish crab, so again X2A is formed on its own. And then when you see AB is between 38.2% to 61.8%. Now again, please note the difference. When I was talking about bat pattern, in bat pattern, your AB was 38.2% to 50%. In butterfly, it was up to 78.6%. But in a crab pattern, it is 38.2% to 61.8%. Your BC length, which is like it is 38.2% to 88.6% of your AB length. So BC is 38.2 to 88.6% of AB, and your CD length should lie, like the ending point of D should be at 161.8% of your entire length of XA, and this CD length is 224 to 361.8% of your BC length. Similarly, let's say if I talk about a bearish crab is just a mirror image of the bullish crab, wherein like we have the XA length, your AB length is 38.2% to 61.8% of your XA length. Your BC length is 38.2% to 88.6% of your AB length, and your CD length is 224 to 361.8% of your CD length. So this again should end at 161.8%, and that is where like you should look to actually take the trade. So I'll show you some of the beautiful patterns that we have talked about. Some of the, like in terms of, if I check on my Ninja Trader, and if I, let's say suppose if somebody is trading on futures, like in the futures market, so what is the possibility like in the futures market that you can trade better, and you can ensure that trading patterns can be of ease as far as trading is concerned. So is there a way, is there a mechanism through which you can filter out these patterns? The answer is yes. Let's say suppose if I talk about like for example a platform like ME Broker, or maybe let's say if I talk about a platform on like say Ninja Trader. So can I filter out these trades? So this is, see on Ninja Trader, I have put in like I have this 10 minutes charts of Adani Port, live chart today of Adani Ports, and you can check like on Adani Port a sell signal came, a beautiful sell signal with a terminal point right here with a stop loss. So I can even see the stop loss. My stop loss is 300 and 737. So you have to like see the sell signal came at nearly like 733, 734. If you sell here, and like you can clearly see the XA formation here at exactly at 1.27 precise formation, a butterfly got formed on a future chart. So this is Adani Ports future. Stop loss was 737. Look at the precision. So at 1.27, 733.95, it gave you a sell signal. Your first target, you can clearly like you can clearly see the first target was like nearly 723 rupees. It achieved the first target, and then exactly like at the end of the closing, it closed near the FIFI band. And like if it goes below this, it is definitely looking for to target the second target, which is 716.95 or nearly 717. Now if you are an intraday trader, you don't want to carry your position, simply square off your position by the end of the day. Don't carry the overnight risk, and you can always book your profits. That is something which is like very very important. So simple harmonic pattern, simple trade setup would have given you good 14 to 15 points intraday. And I'm sure those who trade and those who understand like future trading, they understand that this simple pattern would have given you like a killing in terms of making money. Precise, like, and look at the precision, all the measurement that you see, the butterfly exactly at 78.6%, and it is exactly ending as per the requirement, as per the required measurement that we have. It's precise, and everything is auto plotted. So the best part is that whatever that you are seeing on the screen, whatever that I'm talking about as far as my screen is concerned, this is all automatic signal. So this is something which like you can see on your own, and I have not plotted this manually. So this is all auto signals which are coming with all the like in terms of if I'm looking at the amplitude RSI, if I'm looking at the HSI indicator, if I'm looking at the bands, I can clearly see like this is everything which is helping me to trade better, to understand like what is the best trade that I can trade as far as these signals are done. And yes, like those who are asking me whether these signals are auto plotted, the answer is yes. These signals are plotted automatically. I have not plotted these signals on my own. So these are all auto plotted signals that you see on the chart, and that is the beauty of the system. Similarly, let's say if I show you the harmonic pattern, I was like people those who understand Nifty, I clearly said that Nifty will fall, and at point D one fall will come, and fall came beautifully. And then next time I even updated a chart. So people those who follow me on Twitter, those who understand like in terms of like what I do and the kind of work that we do, we mentioned clearly that from 14th to 18th Nifty can go down. And then I posted a chart that now Nifty can reverse again before moving down. So people those who track me, those who track Nifty, and those who understand like how what precision is. So the precision is all about understanding the charts better, understanding that yes, how things can move, what are the important levels that you can actually look at, and like is there a way that you can trade index better. So the answer is yes, you can definitely trade index better, you can definitely like time it. And I think your trading ability will improve. So if you look to time things, if you look to understand like how the patterns are unfolded and what are the important things that you are looking at as far as markets are concerned, I'm sure like that will definitely take you to a next level, and your trading ability or your trading style will definitely improve. And I think like time and again, whenever I focus on charting systems on and on the basic parameters and the basic setup, I always feel that understanding predicting things in much simpler manner definitely helps you. So for example, let's say if I talk about Nifty, and if I show you like some of the things that probably participants like those who might be listening to me for the first time or attending to me for the first time, I clearly mentioned that 14th to 18th June Nifty should go down, and see like how precise charts can be. So when I was posting on Nifty, I was very clear that okay, this is something which I expect on Nifty. And then like I before I show you the 18th June chart, I'll show you what I'm talking about precisely on Nifty chart. So if you see like this is 18th June index fell by 207 points. And if I talk about before that, like when I was talking about on 14th June, if I talk about this interpretation that I posted, and I'll show you like how setups can help and how things can unfold as far as trading is concerned, or your trading style matters. So whenever like we talk about like some of the basic interpretations when it comes to like the market, even on 14th June Nifty fell precisely. And it was clear like, and I knew that on 3rd of June, I clearly knew that Nifty can go down. It can definitely like look like as far as the patterns are concerned, it can definitely like go to the next level. So I was like, when I was if you look at Nifty, and if I look at some of the basic stocks, the some of the things that we were talking about. So the idea is that how do I know that yes, this particular pattern can actually help me out. And then when this happened, after that I posted that a perfect setup achieved the targets, hit precise levels before generating a buy. So on 18th June, when Nifty went down by 207 points, I clearly mentioned that it is generating a buy signal, and now it has touched the precise targets. There is a buy trigger that has happened on Nifty again, and we might go up again. So your precise setup helps you to understand like this is what you are looking at, this is your setup, and this is what you should do. So your harmonic patterns can help you in that particular bracket. Let's say if I talk about like even today, look at the structure that I have. Clearly today I knew that index can fall. I was buying Nifty put, and like in the morning we bought Nifty put at the gap up. And in fact like even others, like they were willing to buy the puts with me. I posted in the group that buy Nifty put, and probably the index will go down today. So this is again a setup, simple setup, but the simple setup is giving me exactly at 1.27%. There is a clear resistance zone which I could see as far as Nifty was concerned. Now people were asking me, let's show Bank Nifty. See, beautiful trades, nothing I need to do. Beautiful, like automated pattern which was formed. Like over here, it gave you a sell signal, beautiful sell signal. Bank Nifty fell. Again, a beautiful signal came, bearish bat, a bat like over here, a D point came, sell signal came. You should have taken a trade at the sell signal. And that's what, like, time and again, I keep focusing on, make your system better. If you make your system better, you will improve. See, again, bearish bat intraday, and check the time frame, 1 minute. It gave you a sell signal at 450, immediately came down to 390 rupees. Again gave you a sell signal at nearly 480 rupees, came down to nearly 410 rupees, 405 rupees. Again gave you a sell signal, came down to again 395 rupees. Can trading be simpler than this? I think, like, if you want to really make your life simple, things will really become simple. You understand what is happening on your chart structure, why it is happening, what is the logic behind taking a trade. If you understand those basic minute details, your system will improve. Like, we were trading on a stock like Decal, where, like, look at this setup, a D signal, single 1 minute chart, D setup, bullish butterfly, bearish butterfly. So over here, like, this is a bearish bat, sell, bullish butterfly right here, buy. Can trading be simpler than this? That is something which I look at. So as a trader, you have to improve your system. You have to see in terms of what you see, what are your proper stop losses, what are the importance of the system. So whether you're checking it on your Ninja platform, whether you're checking it on TradingView, whether you're checking it on your ME broker, the idea is that how we can go about right softwares, like right indicators that we have, and how we can automate these things. So all the people, those who are asking me again and again in terms of, like, I can see the query that is being posted by people, as far as the group is concerned. I repeat, we will be covering all the patterns, how it can be plugged in on your charts, how you can ease automate your trading, so that your things trading becomes simpler for you, and you can become a better trader. So we will be covering, like, I repeat, we are coming up with this webinar offer of 11,999. This offer will not be repeated, and you can, if you want, like, you can enroll, go and check this course curriculum, which is worth 50,000 rupees. Just go and click on the link, uh, use this coupon code WD76, and I'm sure that will help you to understand Harmonic better. And as I repeat, this offer is only valid for next 1 hour. After, like, at 7:30, we will ensure that this offer is not there. So those who want to enroll, they can ensure that they can enroll for the harmonic patterns. That will really help you to understand patterns better. And definitely, it is like, it's and again, people, those who are asking me, it's clearly written, it's a 2-day program, 3rd and 4th of July, 10 to 1 p.m., 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. This is the program that we are coming up next week. So if you really want to ensure, also, this is like this weekend that we are coming up with this program. So if you want to ensure that you want to learn, and you want to probably understand how these harmonic pattern functions, then do opt for the curriculum, and I think that will help you to understand harmonic better. And all the participants, those who are new, you can even check my article on harmonic patterns, which I have posted on LinkedIn. It's a complete set of harmonic series, and you will understand the details, the depth which harmonic patterns have. And that is something which I think, which will be a great learning to all the participants, those who are coming up towards learning all the patterns. Like, before, I stop speaking about things, like, we do a lot of things for our own self. But I think, like, Profit Idea has come up with the courses and the workshop for the needy people. We are supporting, and we have joined hands with Rashtra Hit Seva Sangathan and Manavta, and we are helping students and the kids, those who are in need, and those who really need, like, they are underprivileged, and they want to make their career, and they want to probably go ahead. So we are ensuring that they gain some knowledge and benefit. So we are providing free courses to them worth 50 lakh rupees. They can, like, we have joined hands with these NGOs, and the kids who are in need, genuine need, they come to us, and we will help them to actually, like, we are taking this initiative so that we can help the underprivileged students to actually benefit and make their careers into the market. Plus, like, we thank all the participants, all the people, those who have helped us in the previous webinars and the sessions, with the kind of contributions that they have done. It was really pleasing. Like every time you contribute, we really appreciate. Like if you think that I have contributed and helped you gain some knowledge, so even your 1 rupee will actually help, and we will ensure that it goes to the needy person who is genuinely in need, especially in the challenging times that we are seeing in the country and all across the world. I feel your small contribution, like sometimes we think, fair enough, like we contributed last time, I think 1 rupee is not a big cost that you can contribute. So if you even if you contribute 1 rupee, it will definitely go in the right hands, and probably it might support, because as many participants are listening to me on YouTube and on the Zoom session, every rupee matters, and I think we can help the underprivileged students. So these are the details. If somebody wants to participates and they want to donate something, you can always Google and Paytm on the number provided, or you can do the UPI, or you can transfer directly in the account. So you can take the screenshot. So whatever that we do for ourselves, that is something which is uh, definitely important. But I think if we can come forward and help the needy people in the challenging time, that will be even in terms of important. So definitely, like and some of you are asking me, like in the chat box, will 2 days be enough? It will be enough. If it will not be enough, I will ensure that we will have the extra session and I'll cover up the concepts. So I'll ensure that each and every topic that we have talked about, we will cover up in the program. Plus, we will provide you the hand holding. So there is a hand holding of 1 month, which is absolutely free, which is worth 10,000 rupees. So the hand holding will be provided for free of cost. So you will never get this opportunity wherein you are learning plus you are getting the hand holding. So if you really want to take the benefit, understand like how these patterns can unfold and how these patterns works, do come forward and do join our course, and also do contribute for the welfare of the society, for the benefit of people those who are suffering right now. And I think like all of you could gain the knowledge that we have discussed as far as harmonic patterns are concerned today. You could understand like how on different platforms harmonics can work, like in a very beautiful manner, and they can help you to generate profitable trades with a time to come. Now with this, like I request all the participants, with or like all the people those who are like part of this session, that please do come forward and ensure that like if I try to help as much as possible. And like those who want to connect me, like in terms of you want to stay updated or probably watch the recording later on, it will be available on Profit Idea channel. There is a Profit Idea page and a group as well, which you can join. And like as you know, I write myself as an RD professor, so you can join me on Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter. All the profiles are with the name of an RD professor. And I hope like probably you can gain more and more knowledge. So I keep sharing a lot of insights and a lot of knowledge. In the meanwhile, people are asking me for the like, sir, if you can possibly share your article of LinkedIn. So I will love to hear your feedback on my LinkedIn article of harmonic patterns. I'll share it in the chat box. So people those who are looking for the article, I have shared the link of my article in the chat box. So in the chat box, you can see that I have posted a link which is like of the harmonic patterns, wherein like I have covered up all the harmonic patterns of which are important. So you can see the link in the chat box, and that will actually help you out as far as this particular thing, like how the harmonic patterns are there. So I will love to hear your feedback over here. This is the article of harmonic patterns which I have posted, which clarifies, like which gives you all the details, the minute details regarding like how these patterns are formed with the live examples, and like what all things that you can do as far as these patterns are concerned. I'm sure like it benefited you and all the participants. Like probably if you can give the in terms of, if you can give your honest feedback, that will be appreciated. We really appreciate the time that you have given us, and the inputs that the kind of feedback that I'm getting from the participants, that is really really important. And I think it's like that is something which probably plays a very important role. And in case like if you have any query or any doubt, feel free to contact on the numbers given. I think Atul sir, if you can post it in the chat box, the number where people can contact, or you can go to the website, and on our website, like for example, if you're going to profitidea.in or profitidea.net, you will find like all your queries will be answered over here. You can access, like check all our courses. Plus there is an option to go on the WhatsApp, ask your query. All your queries will be resolved on the WhatsApp. So directly from the website, you can just go and ask your queries, and we will answer you. So I hope that answers the query that people have. Atul sir, can we look to conclude the session for the day? If you can have the concluding remarks, I think that will be great.
Very well, Varun sir. Thank you so much, sir, for such an informative and fantastic session. I hope everyone enjoyed it. Harmonics has always been a kind of enticing subject and topic to learn about, because this is something which is very profitable. Of course, what is the main motive of everyone who would like to kind of get into the stock market? I think all my topics that I have learned so far, Harmonics has been the best one till date. To all the participants, I hope this has been very informative session for you all. And as Varun sir said, we have this, and this is the last time, because all our topics, since we have started taking our weekend webinar sessions, right? None of the sessions are getting repeated, and till next 6 months, we have our calendar fixed. So those who are still thinking of getting registered for Harmonics, just stuff for them. Harmonics is one topic which will take another 6 month time to get repeated. So if you have any thoughts, I would rather say this is the last opportunity for you. Please go ahead and register for the webinar, so that you can take the benefits out of it. Along with the session, you also have an opportunity wherein you get 1 month's hand holding, and also all the trades and other stuff that Varun sir is taking. He will be able to share the analysis as well, and he will help you, in terms of how to analyze the stuff on your own. So that 1 month hand holding is the major stuff which actually helps a lot. In our previous stats that we have gathered from our previous batches, people who attended our this 1 month webinar, 1 week webinar sessions, they were able to recover more than 400% of their investment in these webinars in 1 month hand holding period itself. So that's the kind of stats which are available with us. Just one stuff for you guys. So in case you are thinking, also thanks a lot to all those people who have contributed to our call for contribution. The initiatives that we have taken up. We are really trying to help out the people who are below the poverty line and who are very badly struck by COVID and the lockdowns. So every penny that you are contributing is helping a lot. Another stuff, as Varun sir clearly mentioned, that we are trying to help out all the underprivileged students who are not having enough capacity to fund their fees. We are trying to kind of joining hands with the able organizations who are actually helping these underprivileged students in terms of education and stuff. Profit Idea is very much open to kind of collaborate with these kind of firms, so that we can kind of help the needies to get into the program is basically for unemployed to employment. So in case you have any organizations or who would like to actually join hands with Profit Idea for these kind of things, we would gladly invite you and those organizations to come and join hand with us, and we'll definitely try and see basically what best we can do for those kids, right? Just a last call. This is once again till 7:30. This code remains active, and those who are thinking, please take your decision immediately and go for the registrations. I have given the number. You must have received in your invitation as well. We have Sudhir sir's number given in the invitation messages. So you can always contact him in case you have any queries or anything. All right. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks for joining. And yeah, we'll very quickly come up with another webinar very soon. So you'll have the invitations and other things going further for that as well. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Atul, and thank you so much, participants. Have a great evening and a great day. Jai Shri Krishna, everyone. Thank you.